If you are like me, then you have always dreamed of finding some gold or other precious metals. Unfortunately, most of us will never be able to strike it rich at the mines, but that shouldn't stop you from trying. Luckily, modern technology has made it easier than ever to find gold and other metals. In this video, we'll take a look at the top metal detectors for gold, so you can take some metal detecting with you the next time you go camping. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the OMMO Metal Detector. The OMMO Metal Detector is a portable, lightweight, and easy-to-use metal detector ideal for kids and adults. This metal detector delivers crisp audio, and we can detect small coins buried up to 8 inches deep. It's also compact enough to store it in a bag or case and take it on detecting trips. The backlit LCD is easy to read and provides valuable information about the metal detector. There are 4 sensitivity levels, and you can quickly switch between the pinpoint and disc modes for more precise detection of specific metals. Its adjustable stem means you can set it up at a comfortable height, and the armrest design also ensures that your arms won't tire as quickly. Everything from setting up the metal detector to detecting coins was straightforward. Finding a coin in a few inches of dirt was satisfying and entertaining. We were disappointed that the device accidentally activated the disc mode while detecting, which canceled out some of the signals. But we found a workaround, and this detector is a great value. The OMMO Metal Detector is a surprisingly capable device that packs a lot of performance into a relatively compact package. Up next in 4th place is the Bounty Hunter Mach 1. If you want to start metal detecting but don't want all the bells and whistles, the Bounty Hunter Mach 1 is a good basic choice. It offers to pinpointing with 3 useful sensitivity levels. It's for anyone looking for an entry-level metal detector that won't break the bank. It has a small target depth indicator and a 4-segment target ID, so you don't lose track of your target. It has 4 levels of discrimination to filter out iron and other unwanted metals. It has 3 levels of sensitivity control, as well as a ground balance button. The audio is 4-tone, which is helpful when trying to distinguish iron from minerals. The Bounty Hunter Mach 1 metal detector was easy to use, quiet, and accurate, making it a good choice for a beginner. The Bounty Hunter Mach 1 metal detector is a reasonably capable entry-level detector that does an excellent job of picking up metal. However, the detector's lack of sensitivity at its highest sensitivity setting makes it impractical for gold prospecting or relic hunting. Its inability to distinguish ferrous and non-ferrous metals makes it easy to get false alerts. At number 3, we have SUNPOW Metal Detector. The SUNPOW Metal Detector for Adults Professional Waterproof Adjustable High-Accuracy Beach Metal Detector is an elegant and highly effective metal detecting machine. With 4 modes, it can detect metals, including iron, aluminum, gold, bronze, silver, and their articles in all metal modes. Besides, this PM understands users' needs, so we have improved its disc and notch modes. It can help you ignore unwanted metal, improving the detection efficiency. You can accurately pinpoint the target's location in PP mode. The ergonomic design of this metal detector with 47.3-inch to 55.2-inch adjustable stem applies to different heights of gold detector enthusiasts. It has an ergonomic design involving an adjustable armrest and an anti-slip handle that equips your hunting experience with comfort. The IP68 waterproof metal detector can work well in shallow water. It is perfect for beach, stream, and other outdoor activities. SUNPOW Metal Detector for Adults Waterproof Adjustable Highly Accurate Beach Metal Detector with ground balance, all metal and disc, and notch and pinpoint 4 modes. 10-inch IP68 coil, advanced DSP chip is an elegant and highly effective metal detecting machine. At number 2 on our list is the PANCKY Metal Detector. The PANCKY Metal Detectors is an excellent starter detector if you're still getting your feet wet in the hobby. It's easy to operate, comes with all the bells and whistles, and is compact and lightweight enough for travel. It has a great range of sensitivity, and with our included 10-inch coil, it can dig deep objects from 2.5 feet to 12 feet underground. The audio alert is adjustable, and the PANCKY has easy-to-adjust sensitivity, which aids in finding tiny objects. The PANCKY can also detect small coins and jewelry and comes with a bag for stashing your items. It's among the less expensive metal detectors we tested, and since it doesn't require a local map to download any apps or maps, it's a decent choice if you live far from places where treasure hunting is prevalent. The detector's display is easy to read, and the menu system is straightforward. However, its screen isn't large, so you probably want to upgrade if you spend time outside hunting. The PANCKY Metal Detectors for Kids and Adults Waterproof Professional 10-inch Coil Gold Detector is explicitly designed for adult users. The PANCKY Metal Detectors for Teens are an inexpensive option that does an excellent job of identifying metals at relatively low depths. And finally, the number one on our list is the Bounty Hunter Land Ranger Pro. The Bounty Hunter Land Ranger Pro is a metal detector that performs as advertised. Like our previous pick, it's capable of detecting buried coins, but at a greater depth. It also has the same useful 7-mode feature, which lets you get the best results, whatever type of hunting you're doing. The Land Ranger Pro is also waterproof, but it doesn't have Garrett's 20 kHz frequency option, which allows it to go deeper faster. To compensate, the Land Ranger Pro has an adjustable depth control switch, which in coin mode lets you find targets down to the 1.5-inch range. In our testing, the Land Ranger Pro's battery lasted about 3.5 hours, which is longer than most of our other picks. The controller is simple to use, with a lightweight design, good controls, and an adjustable armrest for maximum comfort. The Land Ranger Pro also comes with 2 probe sights, a carrying bag, and a quick connect cable for charging. It's a robust metal detector that's also comfortable to use, and we found that its automatic ground balancing feature, which determines your ground mineralization and then fine-tunes the detector, worked much better than Garrett's, which requires you to hold the control button down while you operate the detector. The Bounty Hunter Land Ranger Pro Metal Detector is well designed and easy to use, and it performs very well. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.